War Day number 623. 623 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Tectonic and the Medium Sudoku. We have today also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do in the evening. But first, let me solve these 2 regular puzzles. The first one I will do is the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7410. Oh, yeah, 7410. Okay. 7410. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, well, this one will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. I see 4 ones. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left. The 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in that column, no 1 there. So the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, need a 1 there. 1 1 1. Okay. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this last row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. Do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Okay. And now, how about the 2 in this row? First row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. How about the 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. We have a pair. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in these three boxes. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright. 6, 6, okay. 3, 3. Let me see. Need a 7 here. How about the number, well, 8, 9, and a 7. Come on. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 place level. 3 should be here or there. You see how 3 in the first row? No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We see how 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Same for the 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in this box. We have 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 6 in the last column. Should be there. 8 and 9, then 8, 3. 3, 3, 8, 3, and let me think. And a 4, yeah. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this big square. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the third row. So no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So, the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 9 and 7. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 9, 9. How about 6, 6. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 5. Should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column for the first 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have it. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be here. And I believe we have a pair. The 2 and a 3 in this column. The 2 and a 3 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3. Oh, no. We already have a 3 here. Correction. 2 and a 9. Yeah. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column. We have a 2 and a 9 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, 9 goes there. 8, 6, and a 4. 8, 6, and a 4. 8, 6, and a 4. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 and 9, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes in there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Yeah. 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. See a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. We have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Well, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers for the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 6. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Well, 14 minutes. 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.